Hello everyone, my name is Murilo, and in this short video I'll quickly show you how to customize the design of your form and set up the confirm and decline options. The Composer tab of your form builder is where you can customize your form design by adding images and text. You can also use it to set up a confirmation and a decline message. Click on the background section to choose an image or to change the color of your form background. The Image section is where you can upload an event logo, image or banner. You can choose if you want your image to be displayed even when your form is closed by turning the Show on All Pages toggle on. You also have the option to link your image to an external URL if you want to direct your guest to another website. To add text to your form, click on the Text section and add your event details as well as hyperlinks and dynamic text to personalize the content. This is where you can change the font, style, size and color of your text. Duplicate both the image and the text sections of your form if you want to use multiple images or add text in different places. Just click on the duplicate icon that appears once you hover your mouse on top of the sections. The form sections are movable and can be reordered by simply clicking and dragging them to the desired place. Turn the Social Share Icons toggle on if you want to add icons directing your guests to your social media pages. You can always hide any sections you do not need by clicking into it and turning the toggle off, or delete it completely by clicking on the link in the bottom of the section. Open the Response Fields tab and click into the Design button to customize the look of your response fields. Here is where you can edit the font, style, size, font color and alignment of both your field labels and field descriptions. In the Composer tab you can find the Confirm and Decline options. Click on each of them to set up the message to be displayed to your guests once they submit their RSVP. Here is also where you can define if your guests will receive a confirmation or a decline email after submitting their responses. If your event is virtual or hybrid, turn the Auto Register in Zoom toggle on in order to automatically register your guests in Zoom once they submit their confirmation. Turn the Set Guest Status toggle on if you want your guest status to be automatically updated in your guest list once they submit their RSVP. Click on the Button Design section to customize the design of your RSVP button, including the display name. Always remember to save any edits or changes that you make in the form by clicking on the golden Save Changes button at the top right corner. Head to our Help Center for more tutorial videos and articles on our Invitations feature, and thanks for watching!